Hi everyone and welcome to Money's Corner, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Walmart Beauty Box. And it came, of course, let me show you how it came. It came like this, very pretty paper, and I'm more than likely going to keep the box. It's just adorable. I can store stuff in there. We got first the 3-day Whining Boost Kit Rembrandt. This is really good, and this is going to go for my son. He's always wanting these. So there we go, we got that. And let's see what else I got. This is the Craver Saver, and one free Made in Nature snack. Looks like that. And you open it up and there's just several little coupons there. And it's kale chips $1 off, buy one get one coconut chips. It's basically just coupons that you get, and we'll just have to test it out and see if they work. That's one of the things that just came out of the box. Another one, it says embrace your beauty. Enter to win a 100 gift card, which I plan to do. And then we got this Cleanest Wet Wipes Gentle Clean. A gentle clean for hands and face, no harsh chemical. Now this comes handy. This I'm like wanting to try. So I got that. And then this is Nair Hair Remover Wax Ready Strips, free sample, and this is no warming or rubbing required. So I plan to try this out very carefully. That's what it looks like. The next thing that I see in here is Nature Fusions Micellar Rose Water Cleanser, Lavender Rose Clarifying Shampoo, and hydrating repair. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no gluten, no phthalates. I can't say it right. This is what it looks like. And of course, I use sulfate free shampoo and conditioner, so this is awesome. I'm more than excited to try that. Then I have here a little bit of information about Palmer's Nature Fusions, the product that I just had right now. And I have the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask, papaya and papaya extract. It looks like that, and their products are really good. I like to try them as well, so I'm looking forward to that. And the next thing that I have is a Garnier Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day Night Mask, 96% naturally derived ingredients, made with rose water. This is awesome. This is really cool. I was needing stuff like this. We all know the freebies have been, down a little. So I got that. So I'm looking forward to that. And then the next thing that I got is, let me see here. This is information on the stuff that I just got. And this one is also giving you information about the Garnier. And then this is about save $2 for Rembrandt. So this is what we got. Those of us who decided to get the Walmart box. It was $5, and no complaints here. It's a nice little samples, and all the stuff that I received I'm going to be checking out. I think it was a pretty good box just for $5. And yes, thank you all for watching, and go to www.walmart.com, and this is where you're gonna be able to get the information. Actually, it's Embrace for Beauty, Inspire the Beauty Routine this season. Show off your fabulous self. It's the beautybox.walmart.com, and it's right there, beautybox.walmart.com, and I'll link it below as well. Thank you everyone for watching. You all have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and support me. Share the videos, and I truly appreciate you all. Bye.